Hey, fellow Canadians! Let's talk about something you might not have noticed. Flying from Canada to the US has actually dropped off a cliff in 2025. Seriously, Canadian air trips to the States plunged by almost a quarter this May compared to last year. So what's the deal? Why are fewer of us heading south? Well, a big reason is politics. After the January 2025 inauguration of President Trump, and yep, all those headlines about Canada being the 51st state, a lot of Canadians decided, you know what, maybe I'll skip the US this year. There's been a real travel boycott vibe. Some are worried about political tensions, others just feel it's not the right time. But it's not just about politics. Over-tourism is making people rethink their travel habits. Plus, with prices and the economy being what they are, more of us are choosing to stay local, exploring Banff or the Maritimes instead of hopping on a flight to Florida. And let's be honest, a lot of us are watching our spending a bit more these days. The airlines? They're scrambling. Some like Air Canada are cutting routes and dropping flights to places like Jacksonville, while others, like Porter and Alaska, are actually adding more seats, hoping to scoop up any last-minute demand. But overall, airlines are finding it tough to fill those cross-border seats. Meanwhile, US tourism is feeling the pinch. Fewer Canadian visitors means less business for hotels, restaurants, and shops stateside. On the flip side, Canadian tourism is getting a bit of a boost, with more of us vacationing at home. So what does all this mean for Canada-US trade? Well, travel is a big part of how we do business and keep our economies connected. If this trend sticks around, it could shake up everything from tourism revenue to how we see our southern neighbor. Thanks for watching, and let me know, are you skipping the US this year?